One of the most common questions I hear from new designers is, how do I build a portfolio if I don't have any clients yet? Here's the good news. You don't need paid projects to build an amazing portfolio. In fact, many successful designers started by creating sample projects that showcase their skills, strategy, and creativity, and it worked. Clients don't care if you were paid. They care if you can solve their problems and deliver results. In this lesson, I'll show you exactly how to build a standout portfolio from scratch, even if you've never had a client. Step 1. Choose your niche. You already know that niching down helps your marketing. It also helps your portfolio. Instead of creating random designs, focus on 3 to 4 mock projects in your niche. For example, if you're targeting wellness coaches, design a site for a fictional coach. If you're going after real estate agents, build a mock homepage for a listing agency. If you want e-commerce brands, redesign a Shopify store for a made-up product. Make sure your projects reflect the type of work you want to get hired for. Step 2. Treat it like a real project. Even if it's a mock-up, go through your full process. That means researching competitors, writing a short creative brief, creating wireframes or mood boards, explaining the strategy behind your design choices. Clients aren't just hiring your design skills. They want to see how you think. Use this as a chance to show your professionalism, not just your pixels. Step 3. Focus on quality, not quantity. You don't need 10 projects to stand out. 3 great pieces done well are more powerful than a dozen mediocre ones. Make each one count. Choose a clear goal, X, increase conversions for a personal trainer. Write a short description of the problem and your solution. Include desktop and mobile views to show versatility. Add a few sentences about the tools and process you used. Think of each project as a mini case study, even if it's hypothetical. Step 4. Build it on your website. Don't rely on platforms like Behance or Dribbble alone. Create a simple, clean portfolio site that lives on your own domain. It can be just a few pages. Home. Portfolio. Contact. Use this site to showcase your voice, style, and personality. It's your digital storefront. Make it yours. Step 5. Keep improving. As you get real projects, swap out the mock ones. Until then, keep refining what you've got. Update your text, improve screenshots, or add short video walkthroughs with Loom. Your portfolio is a living, evolving sales tool. Make it better as your skills grow. Here's the mindset shift. Don't wait for permission to start. Great designers create their own opportunities, and your portfolio is proof of what you can do. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to price your services with confidence, even if you're just starting out. Let's build your portfolio and your momentum.